Welcome back to Infowords, where we explore the fascinating world of extinct animals. Today we're diving into the story of the dodo, an iconic bird that has become a symbol of extinction and the impact of human activity on the environment. Pause. 2S. The dodo, scientifically known as Raphus cucullatus, was a flightless bird that belonged to the family of pigeons and doves. This unique bird has become an icon of extinction and a symbol of the fragility of island ecosystems. The dodo was first discovered by Portuguese sailors around 1507 on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. The first recorded encounters were by Dutch sailors in 1598. Pause 2S. Sailors often hunted the dodo for fresh meat during their long voyages. The bird's lack of fear towards humans made it an easy target. Early accounts describe how sailors could walk up to these birds and capture them with ease, which unfortunately contributed to their rapid decline. Who described the bird as large, flightless, and remarkably unafraid of humans? The dodo's native habitat was the lush forests of Mauritius. This island's ecosystem was rich and diverse, providing ample food and shelter for the dodo and other native species. Pause 2S. Mauritius, the dodo's native habitat, is known for its tropical climate and rich biodiversity. The island was covered with dense forests and had a variety of unique flora and fauna. These forests provided the dodo with ample food sources and a sheltered environment. Standing about 3 feet tall and weighing up to 40 pounds, the dodo had a distinctive appearance with its large beak, stout body, and small vestigial wings. Unlike many birds, the dodo's feathers were soft and downy, more akin to fur. Pause 2S. Male and female dodos likely had similar appearances, although there might have been slight differences in size. The dodo's robust body, short legs, and large beak were well adapted to its island environment, allowing it to forage effectively on the forest floor. The dodo primarily fed on fruits, seeds, nuts, and possibly small invertebrates. It was a ground-dwelling bird with a gentle demeanor, foraging in small groups and displaying a rather docile behavior. Pause 2S. The dodo played a significant role in the ecosystem as a seed disperser. Certain plants, such as the now rare Tambala cock tree, relied on the dodo to help spread their seeds. The bird's diet included fruits, nuts, seeds, and possibly small invertebrates, which it foraged from the ground. Pause 2S. Interestingly, the dodo's large beak and strong jaws allowed it to crack open tough fruits and seeds that other animals couldn't. This unique dietary capability helped the dodo thrive in its environment. The bird's foraging behavior also suggests that it may have had a keen sense of smell, aiding in the location of food sources buried under leaf litter. Contrary to popular belief, the dodo was not as clumsy or stupid as often portrayed. Myths about the dodo's foolishness largely stem from its trusting nature and lack of fear towards humans, which unfortunately contributed to its downfall. Pause 2S. A common misconception about the dodo is that it was overly clumsy and greedy. In reality, the dodo was well adapted to its environment. Its seemingly awkward appearance and behavior were a result of its evolution in an ecosystem without large predators, rather than inherent laziness or gluttony. A human interaction had a devastating impact on the dodo. Sailors hunted the bird for food and introduced species like pigs, rats, and monkeys preyed on dodo eggs and competed for resources. Pause 2S. The introduction of invasive species such as dogs, cats, and monkeys by settlers further devastated the dodo population. These animals preyed on dodo eggs and competed for food resources, accelerating the bird's decline. Human activities, including deforestation, also played a critical role in the loss of the dodo's habitat. Pause 2S. Historical records indicate that the dodo's fearlessness was exploited by humans who sometimes used them as bait to catch larger animals. This exploitation, combined with the relentless hunting, significantly reduced their numbers. Additionally, early settlers often burned large areas of forest to clear land for agriculture, further shrinking the dodo's habitat. These factors, combined with habitat destruction, led to a rapid decline in the dodo population. The dodo was last seen in the late 17th century, with the last confirmed sighting in 1662. By 1681, the dodo was officially declared extinct, marking the end of a species that had thrived for millions of years. Pause 2S. The exact timeline of the dodo's extinction is marked by key events, including the arrival of the Dutch in the late 16th century and the subsequent habitat destruction. The last widely accepted sighting of a dodo was in 1662, only a few decades after humans first discovered the bird. By the end of the 17th century, the dodo was declared extinct. The dodo has left a lasting legacy in literature, art, and popular culture. It is often depicted as a symbol of extinction and the fragile balance of ecosystems. The phrase, "as dead as a dodo," has become synonymous with things that are irrevocably gone. The dodo has been immortalized in literature, notably in Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, where it serves as a whimsical character. Its extinction has made it a powerful symbol in discussions about conservation and the impact of human activity on biodiversity. Scientific studies of dodo fossils and remains have provided invaluable insights into its biology and the factors leading to its extinction. Ongoing research continues to uncover new details about this enigmatic bird, keeping the dodo's story alive in scientific circles. Pause 2S. Recent genetic studies have revealed fascinating details about the dodo's relatives, showing close ties to modern pigeons and doves. Advances in technology, such as 3D scanning, have allowed scientists to create detailed models of the dodo's skeletal structure, providing deeper insights into its physiology and lifestyle. The dodo's tale is a poignant reminder of the consequences of human actions on wildlife. As we reflect on the story of the dodo, it underscores the importance of conservation efforts to protect the species that still share our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Infowords for more explorations of the natural world. Pause 2S. The story of the dodo serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance within ecosystems and the dire consequences of human interference. Efforts to conserve other endangered species today draw heavily from the lessons learned from the dodo's extinction, emphasizing the urgent need to protect our planet's biodiversity.